Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I will show you how you can enable the talkback option on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to accessibility, or whatever it is. Let me see if it's not under advanced. And there it is, accessibility. So it is under the advanced settings at the bottom, accessibility, and in here we have the talkback. Enable it. Okay. And
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. Talkback tutorial.
now I'm gonna mute this just so I can talk. Obviously this will be a little bit more of a comprehensive guide than I'll give you, but just for the people that want to figure it out really quickly and the base version of it, you swipe left or right if you want to select things. As you can see, it keeps selecting next one, and if I swipe the other way, left, it will keep going up. And every time it selects something in this green little outline, and that is the thing that the talkback will read to you. Now, once something is selected, as an example, the back button, you can double tap it and this will confirm it. So whatever is selected will be confirmed. Additionally, you can use two fingers to scroll up and down, because one finger does nothing. As you can see, you can try to scroll down and it does nothing. So you will need to use two fingers to navigate through your device if you're planning to scroll up and down. Additionally, you can also keep swiping. Oops, I think the device got stuck. Oh, there we go, it's now going. So yeah, it's working really slowly. There we go. So as you can see now, it's scrolling, though this display, probably with this super thick glass, it's not very responsive, because it's sometimes trying to select what I'm pressing. But there we go. Now it went all the way back, and unfortunately when you scroll all the way back, or from the top to bottom, it will move the page down. But when it flips back to the top, it will just start from where the screen is visible and go down again. So it's missing, as you can see right now. Hello, there we go. It's missing half of the page of info. So keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna turn off talkback, so I'm gonna select turn talkback off. I'm gonna tap right here and voila, it's now off and I can navigate normally. But this was just a brief version of how to navigate through it. Obviously you probably should go through the entire course to figure out basically everything that you can do with it. This was just how to turn it on and the general navigation through it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.